I'm here with Hans Geldenhuys, who is the Director of Sales for Intelsat. It's great to have you back, of course, and a featured sponsor of the event. Talk to us about the awards that are happening. We're so excited. What inspired Intelsat to be part of that and part of the Changing Lives Awards?
Well, Intelsat exists to connect people, and we carry it very close to heart to find means and solutions to do that. With our capabilities over satellite, we've got a variety of applications that we can drive and into these needed markets. So for us, since inception in 1964, when we started providing satellite solutions, we have then looked at how can we access and connect the unconnected. And that's why in Africa, with such a great need, we see that this is where we fit into a special position to ensure that we can not just connect a variety of applications or consumers, but also to really focus on the people that is not connected, and that can really transform lives.
Let's talk a little bit, you mentioned 1964, which means that next year, if my maths is correct, we're looking at the 60th anniversary. Let's talk a little bit about connectivity across the continent, a little bit more about that and where you see the future for the company.
Yeah, well, for over 55 years then, yes, we've been producing or providing capacity solutions into Africa. We were the first to produce networks and media applications into the region, and we've grown with this region. We've really strived to see that, how can we better and where can we make an impact, as I alluded to earlier. So across all these needed markets, besides mobility applications, media applications, network applications, we really focus to provide solutions on that. And you can now drill it down into each of these verticals into, how do you connect schools? How do you connect, these ultra-rural communities? And how do you make a solution that is ultimately commercially viable in the end, to ensure that we can build on connectivity and not just see it that it's connected and it fails after a while.
Hans, it's always good to have you with us. Thanks very much indeed. Exciting times, of course, at Africa Tech Festival, and part of the highlight being the awards and the Changing Lives Awards, sponsored by Intelsat.